Akoko. Minister Eko. You ain't going school fees again. I thought we paid just a month ago. Okay, don't worry, don't stress about it. I'm going to send the receipt for registration in a bit. Just give me a few minutes, okay? All right, bye. All you have to do is launch the Ecobank Mobile app, select Pay Bill, scroll down and select schools. After this, just choose a school of your preference. After that, select Continue. From here, just enter the amount, student ID, depositor's contact. Lastly, enter your email address and select Done. Life is so easy with the Ecobank Mobile app. I just pay my sister's school fees right here in the comfort of my home. You can do that too. Just hop on the Ecobank Mobile app. Life is so easy.